Hello guys, hope you are doing great. Today is a lucky day for my Jeep because it's going to XMOTORWORX workshop for detailing. Now my Jeep is very dirty at the moment, and this is because recently I've been out and about everywhere in the mountains and in the desert doing my off-road missions. I'm just gonna give you a quick look around the car. In general, there is a lot of dust here, obviously, and this comes from the desert. But what I really want to see if and this is possible to be cleaned, because usually when I go to the car wash they don't really clean these places properly. So this sand's been there probably for 1 year. You saw the condition of the car, hope you didn't get scared, but this is pretty much always how it looks like after off-roading trips. I am gonna take you now to the XMOTORWORX workshop so that we can get to know a little bit more about the process.
Welcome Mission Off-Road to Hardcore Motorworks. The red Jeep is finally here, and it's going to have a full pack of polishing, cleaning, paint correction, as well as a ceramic coat from Wrangler Ceramic. I hope this car will be as good as new in and out, and it would be within a couple of days ready back to hit the deserts and mountains as usual. What will be done on the car is a paint correction process after a proper cleaning with all the special compounds that we use. Once that is done, the paint correction and polishing process while maintaining all the lovely stickers we see here. And once done, and once the paint is back to 100% shine and removing all those scratches and swirls, the car will take the double coat of Wrangler Ceramic, which is our brand here, and hopefully it will be as good as new again. So see you back in a couple of days to see the difference. If you can see the difference of this paint finish here, this was before, and the final product after applying the ceramic becomes like this. You can actually see the reflection of the whole workshop from here, and I think the difference is obvious. So all the best of luck to Mission Off-Road and the red Jeep.
Hi guys, again, so I'm getting back to you after I picked up my car from Hardcore MOTORWORX workshop. The car looks immaculate. Honestly, I was shocked. I couldn't believe it's my own car, and I'm sure that a lot of people who knew how my car looked like before, they wouldn't believe either. I would even say that last time it looked like that on the first day that I picked it up from agency when it was brand new. However, now outside I would say it even looks better than brand new. So guys at the workshop did an amazing job, and here I wanted to thank Hardcore MOTORWORX workshop for taking this challenge, because many times I used to go to car washes or car cleaning services and they just didn't want to admit my car because it was too dirty according to them. So even if they tried to clean it, they would just do it on the surface and not with attention to details like they did here in Hardcore MOTORWORX workshop. I just wanted to mention one very important thing. If you do the nanoceramic coating in the workshop, they provide you with 5 years warranty and certificate, which means that every 6 months you should go back to the workshop and do refreshment. It's gonna take around half an hour, and this is all for free. I just wanted to remind you, or for those who don't know yet, we have a giveaway right now with Hardcore MOTORWORX workshop, and we have 2 prizes for 2 lucky winners, and that are the nanoceramic premium packages. So exactly the same thing as was done in my car. So if you want to bring your car to new-like condition, this is an amazing opportunity. All you have to do is go to my Instagram or XMOTORWORX workshop Instagram and follow the rules, which is follow me and the XMOTORWORX, then share the posts and then tag 2 people in the comments. And now you can tag as many people as you like, because every single comment is extra entry, so it's gonna give you more chances to win. Additionally, during the time of the giveaway, there is a 20% discount on the services in Hardcore MOTORWORX workshop, so you can go and check out the package they offer. Now if you are gonna decide to go and do the premium package on your car, if you win the giveaway, it's gonna be totally refunded to you. So it's really good deal. I'm just gonna wish you good luck and finish this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up and notification, and I guess I'll see you soon in the next one. Salama.